Georgia auto insurance is higher than in other states. This makes it imperative to try and get lower rates. This can be done in different ways. One is to get quotes and choose the lowest rates that offer adequate coverage and service. There are other tips that will help lower costs as well. Contrary to what other states require, a card from the insurer as proof of coverage is not sufficient. They directly contact the Georgia Electronic Insurance Compliance System, GICS, to verify coverage. Any changes you make in your coverage must by law be reported to this service by the insurer. Law officers have instant access to what is happening with your coverage. This state is also able to legally check for your coverage in more situations than other states allow. A law enforcement officer can check for coverage anytime you are driving your vehicle. They may also check when you are pulled over for a traffic stop, as well as during an accident. In addition, anytime you newly register, renew registration, and apply for, replace, or renew your license tag, they can check. Companies are required to report to the Georgia Department of Driver Services anytime coverage is discontinued. The state may then require you bring in documentation to verify that you have replaced that coverage. If you do not have coverage and are caught driving without it, or if involved in an accident without adequate coverage, the penalties can be severe. You will have your registration either suspended or revoked. Fines are severe, and you may even have your car impounded. For subsequent violations, penalties are even more serious and more costly. For each occurrence after the first, the registration is suspended for increasing lengths of time, from 3 months up to 6 months for the fourth occurrence. Driving without proper registration results in additional fines and penalties. Reinstatement fees must be paid and coverage must be kept in force without interruption for varying amounts of time. An SR-22 is required to be filed by your Georgia auto insurance provider after certain events. These events involve reinstating a suspended license based on certain conditions. These include after suspension for not paying an accident judgment, for not maintaining proof of financial responsibility, after being charged with a DUI, and for any other offense that requires suspension. Not all insurers will file the SR-22. If you require one, you may need to do a search to find someone who will provide it. Vehicle owners, watch our monthly INS video for tips on how to lower the cost of Georgia auto insurance, now. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.